there are being abductions of women and even children. And there are other female members also in Bagram.
Afia Siddiqui is a Pakistani national with a PhD from an American university. The US government accuses her of belonging to Al-Qaeda and says she attempted to kill members of the military in Afghanistan while being held unsecured inside a police station. They say she was behind a curtain when a group of US personnel walked in. One of the men left his gun on the ground, and Miss Siddiqui is accused of quietly dragging it behind the curtain before opening fire. She missed, but was shot and injured in response.
They put a gun down by their foot, and they don't realize when the gun is not there. Do you believe that? Do you believe that?
Siddiqui's lawyers have moved to have the case against her dropped on the grounds they say it's patently ridiculous. How could a frail 90-pound woman lift the gun anyway? And they say, didn't anyone in the room notice the weapon being dragged along the floor under the curtain?
Strongly believe in Afia's innocence. और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि ये सिर्फ ये नहीं कि वो बिल्कुल मासूम है. आप देखें, खुदा ताला ने इतने सब के बाद उसको जिंदा रखा. उसके गोलियां लगी, कौन था उसके साथ? मैं थी, उसकी माँ थी, कौन था उसके साथ? अल्लाह ही तो था ना. और वो सब के बाद बची. वो आज जिंदा है, अभी भी वो बातचीत कर रही है, पहचान रही है. ये खुदा की शान नहीं है तो क्या है? अल्लाह ताला ने उसको जिंदा रखा है. There is a purpose. She has a destiny. I don't know what it is and how it will be fulfilled. लेकिन there is a purpose. ये तो मुझे अब मेरा ईमान हो गया है कि उससे कोई बहुत बड़ा, शायद ये कि उसकी आजमाइश ख़त्म हो गई. जब तक वो ढकी हुई थी, नहीं थी नज़रों में, उसकी आजमाइश थी. अब वो सबके, अब तो उसके साथ जो जुल्म और ज़्यादती हो रही है वो तो सबके सामने है. अब वो हमारी आजमाइश शुरू हो गई है. शायद यही वो है कि हमें जगाना है, हमें यूनाइट करना है. शायद यही उसकी डेस्टिनी
هكذا الأحرار في دنيا العبيد.